Oh, because it's pokey?
Yeah, you don't handle it with your hand. And I'll set it right back down there.
Oh.
Okay.
You're just going to stand there and hold it?
Just for the hook.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to pop you.
Nope.
Have you ever had cactus, better known as Nopale? Is that how you pronounce it?
I think so.
Yeah. Nopales.
Napolitos.
Well, but those are, I think that's the plural. Anyway.
Okay.
We're making something with cactus today, and you need to keep watching. And I'm gonna probably stab myself with this. Hey there, I'm John.
And I'm Katie, and welcome to Pizza with Plants.
What's this menagerie in front of us?
That's what I was gonna ask you.
Oh, okay. We're making a bean salad. Katie shared in an earlier video that we recently were in Mexico, and we ate one of the things that they had that was plant-based was cactus.
These little Napolitos.
So they're
and salads.
Yeah, they had them
little taco thingies.
Yeah, you could make tacos with it. And so thankfully there is a store here in town where we can get them fresh. You can also get them jarred if you want. Super healthy if you do get the jarred. Rinse them really well to get the brine off of them. But it's super simple bean salad, pinto beans, black beans, fresh cilantro, jalapeno, red onion, and we are making a lime chipotle vinaigrette that is bonkers. It's so good.
Very good.
I hit that high note well.
You did.
I did. Voice didn't even crack.
That was impressive.
It was a Bobby Brady moment.
And we're gonna show you how to work with raw cactus.
Yes,
I'm sure a lot of people skip right over because they think it's harder than it is.
Yeah, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah.
So let's make bean salad. We're gonna get started by preparing our nopale leaf. So first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut the tail end off, and then take your knife and slowly cut the edge all around the leaf off. It's hard to get the splines off that, so we're just gonna cut that off. And then take your knife and hold it perpendicular to the nopale leaf and just scrape against the splines. And what you're trying to do is you're just trying to remove the little nub that's embedded within the leaf. Do that on both sides. Fill up a bowl with some cold water, and then just kind of shake the leaf around in the water to get any off that are stuck to the leaf. Rinse off the leaf with a little bit of water, and now you're ready to get it cut up. Next, we're going to get our nopale leaf cut up. So I'm just going to slice it in half lengthwise down the middle, turn it, and then just slice it in about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch slices all the way down the leaf and get those into a bowl. Our pan is nice and warm over a medium-high heat, so we're just gonna add in our nopale leaves, a healthy glug of olive oil, big pinch of salt, our chopped red onion, our garlic. We're gonna stir that up to combine, cover it up, and let it simmer over a low heat. So it's been about 3 or 4 minutes, and we're just gonna give our nopales a little bit of a stir. You're gonna notice that they're releasing kind of a gelatinous material, and that's totally normal. That's gonna cook off eventually. We're gonna recover this and let it go for about another 4 minutes. So it's been about 7 minutes total, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the lid, give these a stir, and then we're gonna let them cook uncovered at a medium heat for probably about another 5 to 6 minutes. Next, we're gonna get that delicious chipotle agave vinaigrette going. We're gonna start off by adding our red wine vinegar, our chipotle peppers, our agave syrup, salt, water, and we're gonna get that blending on high and slowly add in our olive oil so it really emulsifies and incorporates in. Now that the oil is all mixed in, we're just gonna add in our black pepper and dried oregano and pulse that just a little bit to mix it up. We are ready to make the salad. First, we're gonna add in our black and pinto beans, our nopales, our chopped fresh cilantro, our diced jalapeno, our chopped red onion. Then we're gonna add some fresh squeezed lime juice and finish it off with that amazing agave chipotle vinaigrette. What do you think? We have salad, bean salad.
These, the cactus leaf was very cool.
So it's Nopales. That's how it's pronounced. We did Google pronunciation. So Nopales, they are a great fiber source. They
help
texture.
regulate blood sugar. We read when we
read
learned
about that.
them.
And you said, and I didn't say this earlier, they kind of taste like, the texture is green beans.
Yeah, and they taste kind of like a green bean.
Yeah.
So
if you can't find these, just try the canned ones or the jarred ones first.
Yeah.
But this is a great salad for like, you could have it on its own. You could have it as a topper on another salad. I'm doing the big old bite.
Yeah. I just want one with the Napoleon. Yummy.
Lots of flavors.
And texture. You've got the crunch of the
red onion.
The creaming or the smoothness of the beans and the Napoli and
It's Nopales.
Sorry.
Napoli is in Italy.
okay, well, that's good too.
And that chipotle vinaigrette is really yummy.
Yeah.
We admittedly we made a test batch of that and had it on some salads as well, and it's super.
Yeah.
Super.
Oh God.
There we go with my super. It was tasty. We'll just leave it at that.
It was very good.
So,
Yes. This, came together very, very quickly.
Yeah.
Even doing the
Nopales
from scratch, and the dressing from scratch. So easy thing to pull together and
make it. You could this if we were to make this would last us all week, just as kind of a topper and that sort of thing.
It's like a nice side dish or addition to other greens for sure.
Wasn't pizza, but it was super healthy and yummy.
Yep, we'll taste Mexico. Brought back with us.
Yep, nice.
So be kind.
Eat pizza.
With plants.
See ya.